Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a video from Fathom. So Fathom is a video recording software where it records your Zoom meetings or Google Meets meetings. How do you actually share a recording that you just had with a client or customer? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log into your Fathom account. And then from here, you're going to click on one of the meetings which you just recorded. So from this page here, you're going to see details about your Fathom video that was recorded. You're going to see the summary. You're going to see the transcript. You're going to see this button here that says share. So click on the share button. And so from here, you could actually go ahead and add users or emails to invite to this link. You could also change it so that anyone with the link can view, so that you can actually copy this link as well. But by copying that link, you can just send it via text, via Slack, via any communication method as far as getting people to actually see the Fathom recording that you just made. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your Fathom meetings or videos. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.